In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to ChatGPT and manage your social media connections within the platform. Whether you're integrating LinkedIn, GitHub, or X, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you can make the most of your ChatGPT experience. To start with, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to chat.openai.com. This is where you'll log into the ChatGPT platform. If you already have an account, you simply need to sign in. Make sure to double-check that your login details are entered correctly. Otherwise, you might end up facing login issues. Once you have successfully logged in, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen. Here, you'll see either your name or your avatar. Clicking this will open up a small menu that provides you with more options. From the options that appear, select Profile. This action will redirect you to your profile page where you can make adjustments to various personalized settings related to your account. With your profile page open, look to the left sidebar. You're searching for the Account option here. Once you've found it, click on it to proceed. This area is the command center for your account settings. It's where you'll manage details about your profile and link social networks. In the Account Settings section, scroll down gently until you find a section labeled Links, or possibly social media. This part of your settings page is dedicated to the integration of different social media accounts that can enhance your ChatGPT profile. You'll see options for LinkedIn, GitHub, and X, each accompanied by an Add button. These buttons are your gateway to linking and managing your social media connections. Start by clicking the Add button next to LinkedIn. You'll be prompted to log into your LinkedIn account, so make sure you have those login credentials ready. After entering your information, confirm the connection, and you'll see LinkedIn added to your ChatGPT profile. This linkage can enhance your experience by aligning your professional identity with ChatGPT functionalities. Next, you can do the same for GitHub. Click the Add button, enter your GitHub credentials, and authorize access when asked. Connecting GitHub might enable a more developer-friendly environment if you're someone looking to integrate coding projects with your AI interactions. Lastly, link your X account in a similar fashion. By clicking Add next to X, you'll follow the steps to log in and authorize the connection. This can be particularly beneficial if you want to keep your social media engagement streamlined across platforms. And there you have it. A clear and organized way to log into ChatGPT and link your accounts. By following these steps, you ensure that your profile is not only logged in, but also intertwined with your broader social media presence, making your experience all the more connected and user-friendly.